Print on demand is one of the easiest and most profitable online side hustles to date, having the potential to make tens of thousands of dollars a month with little to no effort. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to do print on demand and how to scale it to a six-figure business model. Hey everyone, welcome back to Business and Beyond. Today, we're diving into the world of print on demand, a fantastic way to design, sell, and profit from custom merchandise without the hassle of inventory management. If you're an artist, designer, or entrepreneur looking to make money online, this video is for you. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what print on demand is. Print on demand is a business model where you create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and then partner with a print-on-demand service that prints and ships the products for you. This means you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or upfront costs. You just focus on creating amazing designs and marketing your products. There are many print-on-demand services out there, but some popular ones include Printify, Printful, and Teespring. When choosing a pod service, consider factors like product selection, print quality, shipping times, and integration with your online store. Do your research and pick the one that best suits your needs. Now let's talk about creating your designs. You can use software like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or free alternatives like Canva, GIMP, and Inkscape. Keep in mind the design guidelines provided by your chosen pod service, such as file formats, dimensions, and color profiles. Remember, your designs should be unique, eye-catching, and cater to your target audience. Once you have your designs ready, it's time to set up your online store. Many POD services integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. Choose the platform that works best for you and follow the steps to connect your store with your pod service. Make sure to write compelling product descriptions and use high-quality mock-up images to showcase your designs. Finally, let's talk about marketing your products. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your designs and engage with your target audience. Collaborate with influencers or other creators in your niche to increase your brand's visibility. You can also run paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads to drive traffic to your store. To wrap up, here are some tips for success in the print-on-demand business. 1. Focus on a niche. Cater to a specific audience or interest to make your designs stand out and appeal to potential customers. 2. Prioritize quality. Invest time in creating high-quality designs and choose a pod service with a reputation for excellent print quality. 3. Test your designs. Order samples of your products to ensure they meet your expectations before promoting them to your audience. 4. Monitor trends. Stay up to date with current trends and create designs that resonate with your target audience. 5. Optimize your store. Use SEO best practices and optimize your product listings to increase visibility on search engines. And that's it. Now you have a solid understanding of the print-on-demand business model and how to get started. Remember, success in this industry takes time, dedication, and creativity. So, keep experimenting with new designs and marketing strategies to grow your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and comment any video suggestions or business questions you may have. This is Business and Beyond. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.